Good afternoon, Brahmendra.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, myself Neenu. I'm from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. Just give a small introduction about yourself, Brahmendra. First of all, congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, just give a small introduction.
I'm Brahmendra T. I'm from Ongole, Andhra Pradesh. I had completed my BTech in 2022 at PACEITES Institute of Technology and Sciences, Ongole.
Okay, so how do you come to know regarding CMTI?
Through LinkedIn, ma'am. I see in LinkedIn.
So you have done interior course, right? So how
Yes.
the course was interesting? What are the topics you have learned? You can just tell briefly.
In interior design, what are the interior materials we're using in the interior designing time? And SketchUp, AutoCAD, and Skip, and V-Ray, how to do rendering and...
So yeah, you went for site visit all, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So how was the site visit? How many site visits you went? How interesting the site visits for you?
Total 8 site visits I done, ma'am. And that site visit is the how it's going. That's interior designing and how to make how to process. I understand.
Okay, so how was our CMTI trainers? So they have coordinated you very well. How was while asking doubts, other things?
It's nice, ma'am. They are encouraging to me and encouraging to any problem is coming time now. In doubts they are clarifying.
Okay, so how was there, like you can give few tips for upcoming students? How did you crack the interview?
First of all, every class and properly attended that classes, and that points are so noted then.
Yeah. So how was our CMTI staff's coordination? So they coordinated you very well for the class timings and other things. All you was fine with other proceedings. Okay.
Yes, it's nice, ma'am.
Okay. So yeah, you was using our CMTI app, right? So
Yes.
while using it was user friendly. How the app was to you? It was like convenient.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, it's convenient, ma'am.
So you like CMTI app?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you face any difficulties?
No, ma'am.
No, you didn't face any difficulties. Okay, thank you, Brahmendra. Thank you for the wonderful feedback. All the best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you.